In this video, we are going to show you how to speed up Windows and improve PC performance. First, we'll stop the auto Windows update. Hit Ctrl+R on your keyboard. In the box, type services-msc, and then enter. In the Services window, scroll down and find the Windows Update option. Currently, you can see its status is manual. Click on it and change the status to disabled. Windows Update consumes almost 100% of the processing power, therefore, you should disable it if your system doesn't have a good processor. Second, we'll uninstall the unwanted software from Windows. This software just eats up the RAM and storage space, while you're not even using them. For this, open the Control Panel in Windows. You can use the search bar for it. Here, click on the Programs and Features option. Here, you will be able to see the list of software currently installed and active on your computer. You need to find the ones that you're not using. After that, right-click on the software name and you'll be able to see the Uninstall option. Click on it and the software will be uninstalled. Third, we'll run a disk cleanup. Disk cleanup helps free up space on your hard disk, creating improved system performance. For this, you need to search disk cleanup in the search bar. Here, you can choose the drive that you want to clean. We are choosing C drive. After calculating the file size, you'll be able to see them. Disk cleanup scans your disk and then shows you temporary files, internet cache files, and unnecessary program files that you can safely delete. You can also choose the files that you want to delete along with the size. Once done, click on the OK button. Fourth, we'll clean up the storage. For this, go to the Windows icon, and then click on the gear icon. Here, select the System option. In the left navigation panel, you will see the Storage option. Click on it. On the top, you will find an option called Storage Sense. Storage Sense can automatically free up drive space for you by getting rid of items that you don't need, like temporary files and items in your recycle bin. You can turn on this option to automatically delete temporary files and clear up storage. Fifth, we'll stop Windows notifications. The Windows notification that keeps running and pops up in the background eats up a lot of CPU. Therefore, we recommend turning it off if you're facing performance issues. For this, go to the Windows icon, and then click on the gear icon. Here, select the System option. In the left navigation panel, you will see the Notifications and Actions option. Click on it. Right now, the notifications are enabled for all apps and other senders. You can turn it off using this toggle switch. Also, turn off other types of notifications like Windows Welcome Experience, Suggestions, Tips, and Tricks. Sixth, we'll disable the Windows animation. On fast, newer PCs, these don't usually affect system performance. But on slower and older PCs, performance can be affected. For this, open the Control Panel in Windows. You can use the search bar for it. Here, choose the System option. On the right, you will be able to see the Advanced System Settings option. Click on it. This will open a System Properties dialog. In the Advanced tab, click on the Settings button. This will open a System Performance Options dialog. In the Visual Effects tab, choose the Custom option. Then unselect all the visual animations. This will only improve the performance of your computer and it will not affect any functionality. Once done, click on the Apply button and then OK. Seventh, we'll disable the Startup applications. To do this, open the Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Alt, and Delete simultaneously. Here, go to the Startup section. These are the list of all applications that automatically starts when the system boots up. You can also check the status of each application here. To disable Startup, you just need to right-click and select the Disable option. Eighth, we'll remove the temporary files from the system. To delete them, go to the search bar. Type the %, then type temp, and then again the %. Open the folder. Here, you will be able to see all the temporary files that the system created. Select all of them and then delete them. You might not be able to delete some, in that case, skip them. Ninth, if nothing works, then you need to perform a system reset. For this, go to the Windows icon, and then click on the gear icon. Here, select the Update and Security option. In the left navigation panel, select the Recovery option. Under the Reset This PC, click on the Get Started button. You will be asked if you want to keep your files or remove everything. Select one option and proceed. Once your system is reset, you can notice improved performance. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.